Hello students, I am back with exercise 6.3. In this exercise, we are mainly going to deal with similarities of triangle. দুটো triangle কে proof করার that they are similar, three process আছে. The first one is AAA criteria, that is angle criteria of similarity of two triangles. যদি আমরা proof করতে পারি যে দুটো triangle-এর তিনটা angles equal, তাহলে ও দুটো অ্যাঙ্গেল সিমিলার হবে। The second one is SSS criteria, that is side criteria. Similarly, যদি আমরা দুটো ট্রায়াঙ্গেলের তিনটা রেসপেক্টিভ সাইডসকে ইকুয়াল প্রুফ করতে পারি তাহলে ওই দুটো ট্রায়াঙ্গেল সিমিলার হবে। The third one is SAS criteria, that is side criteria of similarity of two triangles. মানে যদি আমরা দুটো ট্রায়াঙ্গেলের মধ্যে two respective sides ke equal and one angle between the two sides ke equal proof korte pari tahole o duta triangle similar hobe. Apart from these three criteria arekta criteria ache, that is angle criteria, that is angle criteria of similarity of triangles. It means যদি আমরা দুটো triangle consider করি ABC and PQR, and if we can prove that angle A is equal to angle P and angle B is equal to angle Q, তাহলে we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by AA similarity. I hope similarity কিভাবে proof করতে হয় এটা ক্লিয়ার হয়েছে। And one main thing, similarity কে আমরা এই সাইন দিয়ে ডিনোট করি। Now let us solve some of the questions. প্রথম কোশ্চেন হলো diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to CD intersect each other at the point O. Using a similarity criteria for two triangles, show that AO by OC is equal to OB by OD. Before proofing, আরেকটা জিনিস বলতে চাই যে if two triangles are similar, তাহলে ওদের corresponding sides are proportional. For example, আমরা এখানে proof করেছি যে triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. তাহলে we can also say that AB by PQ will be equal to AC by PR equal to BC by QR. That means other corresponding sides are proportional. Okay, coming back to the answer, আমরা একটা trapezium consider করেছি ABCD. Question এ বলা হয়েছে যে AC and BD are the diagonals which intersect at point O. আমাদেরকে proof করতে হবে that AO by OC is equal to OB by OD. আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি যে AO OC OB আর OD দুটো triangle, that is triangle DOC and triangle BOA এই দুই ট্রায়াঙ্গেলের সাইডস। তাহলে আমরা স্টার্ট করব আনসার সলভ করা using these two triangles. In triangle DOC and triangle BOA এই দুটো ট্রায়াঙ্গেলকে কনসিডার করেছি আমরা জানি angle CDO is equal to angle ABO, CDO is equal to ABO কিরকম, since এটা একটা trapezium then এটার one pair of opposite side is parallel, that is AB is parallel to DC. তাহলে angle CDO and ABO will be the alternate interior angles. Similarly, angle DCO, that is this angle is equal to angle BAO, this angle. This is also alternate interior angles. Again, এই দুটো triangle-এর মধ্যে angle DOC and angle BOA এই দুটো angle vertically opposite angles. Then we can say that triangle DOC and triangle BOA are similar by AAA, since তিনটা angle is ইকুয়াল, তাহলে ইট ইজ সিমিলার ইউজিং AAA সিমিলারিটি ক্রাইটেরিয়া। নাও আমরা একটু আগে আমি বলেছিলাম যে if two triangles are similar then their corresponding sides are proportional. Since triangle BOA আর triangle DOC are similar, আমরা প্রুফ করে দিয়েছি, তাহলে ওদের corresponding sides will be proportional. That is DO by BO will be equal to OC by OA, which can also be written as OA by OC equal to OB by OD, which is the required answer. Next question holo, in the following figure QR by QS is equal to QT by PR and angle 1 equal to angle 2. We have to show that triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. ফিগারে আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি যে TQR একটা ট্রায়াঙ্গেল, কোশ্চেনে দেওয়া আছে QR by QS is equal to QT by PR আর অ্যাঙ্গেল 1 2 আর ইকুয়াল। আমরা প্রুফ করব যে অ্যাঙ্গেল PQS, that is this triangle, and triangle TQR these triangles are similar. সলিউশনে দেখছি, in triangle PQR যদি আমরা এই ট্রায়াঙ্গেলটা কনসিডার করি PQR, তাহলে অ্যাঙ্গেল PQR আর অ্যাঙ্গেল PRQ এই দুটো ইকুয়াল গিভেন আছে। সিন্স যদি একটা ট্রায়াঙ্গেলের two angles are equal, then their opposite sides will also be equal. তাহলে PQ will be equal to PR, which we consider as equation 1. আবার কোশ্চেনে দেওয়া আছে QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. আমরা PR কে PQ ও লিখতে পারি, thus the equation changes into QR by QS equal to QT by PQ, যেটাকে আমরা equation 2 কনসিডার করি। সিন্স আমরা এই দুটো ট্রায়াঙ্গেলকে সিমিলার প্রুফ করব, তাই কনসিডারিং triangle PQS and triangle TQR, PQS and TQR, কোশ্চেনে আমরা প্রুফ করেছি যে QR by QS, that is QR by QS মানে এই দুইটা সাইডস, and QT by QP are proportional. Our angle Q is common in both the triangles. Therefore, we can say that triangle PQS and triangle TQR are similar by SAS similarities. Since দুটা সাইড কনসিডার করেছি আর দুটো সাইডের মধ্যে একটা অ্যাঙ্গেল, তাই এই দুটো ট্রায়াঙ্গেল আর সিমিলার বাই SAS ক্রাইটেরিয়া। নেক্সট কোয়েশ্চন হলো, in the following figure if triangle ABE is congruent, এই সাইনটা congruency is congruent to triangle ACD, we have to show that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. ফিগার থেকে আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি যে ABE is congruent to ACD. আমরা দেখাবো যে triangle ADE is similar to ABC. ক্লাস 9-এ আমরা কনগ্রুয়েন্সির ব্যাপারে অনেক কিছু পড়েছি। আমরা জানি যে if two triangles are congruent then we can show any pair of angle or side of those two congruent triangle equal by CPCT, that is corresponding part of congruent triangles are equal. এখন সলিউশনটা দেখি। কোয়েশ্চনে দেওয়া আছে triangle ABE is congruent to ACD, তাহলে ABE is congruent to ACD আমরা বলতে পারি AB is equal to AC by CPCT, that is corresponding part of congruent triangle equal হয়, which we consider as equation 1. Again AD equal to AE also by CPCT, এটাকে আমরা equation 2 কনসিডার করি। এখন সিন্স আমরা এই দুটো ট্রায়াঙ্গেলকে সিমিলার প্রুফ করব, so we consider these two triangles. In triangle ADE and triangle ABC আমরা পেয়েছি সিন্স টু পেয়ার্স অফ সাইডস আর ইকুয়াল, তাই ও দুটাকে আমরা প্রপোর্শন মিন্স ডিভাইড করে নিয়েছি। ইকুয়েশন 2কে 1 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করেছি, দ্যাট ইজ AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. Also এই দুটো ট্রায়াঙ্গেলেই in triangle ADE আর ABC এই দুটো ট্রায়াঙ্গেলেই অ্যাঙ্গেল এটা কমন, that is the common angle. Therefore triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. How? By SS. দেখাই সাইড অ্যাঙ্গেল সাইড আমরা প্রুফ করেছি এই ট্রায়াঙ্গেল and this big triangle similar. This angle is common. A choto side, a complete boro side are equal. This small side is equal to that big side. Thus we can say by SAS, side angle side criteria, similarity criteria, that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC, which is the required answer. The next question is, E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram. It is the sign of parallelogram ABCD and BE intersects CD at F. We have to show that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle CFB. That is, আমাদের কাছে দেওয়া আছে ABCD is a parallelogram and BE intersect the line CD at point F. Since আমরা জানি ABCD একটা parallelogram, so its opposite angles will be equal. That is, angle A will be equal to angle C and angle D will be equal to angle B. Also, the opposite sides of parallelogram are parallel. That is, AB will be parallel to DC and AD will be parallel to BC. One more thing, if AD is parallel to BC, that means AE will also be parallel to BC. Let us start solving. Since আমরা এই দুটো ট্রায়াঙ্গেলকে সিমিলার প্রুফ করব, তাই আমরা এই দুটো ট্রায়াঙ্গেল নিয়ে স্টার্ট করি. In triangle ABE, that is this triangle, and triangle CFB, that is CFB, in these two triangles, angle A will be angle equal to angle C, যেটা আমি আগেই লিখেছি, because opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. And angle AEB will be equal to angle CBF. How? Since AE are BC দুটা parallel lines and BE is a transversal, so we can say that angle AEB will be equal to angle CBF, as these are the alternate interior angles. Therefore, we can say that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CBF. The question arises that আগের সবগুলো কোশ্চেনে আমরা তিনটা, that is any two sides and one angle or three sides or three angles প্রুফ করেছি, কিন্তু এখানে আমরা দুটা অ্যাঙ্গেল কে ইকুয়াল প্রুফ করেই এটা বলে দিয়েছি যে দুটা ট্রায়াঙ্গেল সিমিলার. হাউ? This is by angle similarity criteria. Therefore, we can also prove two triangles to be similar by proving any two corresponding angles of the triangles to be equal. The next question is, in the following figure, ABC and AMP are two right triangles, right angled at B and M respectively. প্রথমে ফিগারটা দেখি. We have ABC and AMP to be two right angle triangles, right angled at B and M respectively. আমাদের কি প্রুফ করতে হবে? First of all, triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP, that is ABC is similar to AMP. Let us start with it. In triangle ABC and AMP, we have angle ABC equal to angle AMP, which is because each is 90 degree. Also, angle A is common. Therefore, by AA similarity criteria, we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. Simple. The second one to be proved is CA by PA is equal to BC by MP. Since আমরা proof করে দিয়েছি that triangle ABC and triangle AMP are similar, then we know कि যদি দুটা triangle similar থাকে, then their corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, CA by PA will be equal to BC by MP, since the corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional, which was to be proved. The next question is, sides AB and BC and median of triangle ABC are respectively proportional to the sides PQ and QR and median PM of PQR. To show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. আমাদের কাছে দুটো ট্রায়াঙ্গেল আছে ABC and PQR. কোশ্চেনে দেওয়া আছে AB is proportionals. Okay. AB and PQ are the corresponding sides. AC and PQ are the corresponding sides. BC, QR are the corresponding sides. AD and PM are the median of the two respective triangles. Question dewa ache je the sides, corresponding sides and the median are proportional. Okay, let us start solving. প্রথমে দেওয়া আছে median AD and PM divides the opposite sides. Since these are median, so we can write BD is equal to half of BC and QM will be equal to half of QR. We consider it to be equation 1. Also, it is given that the corresponding sides are proportional. That is, AB by PQ will be equal to BC by QR equal to AD by PM. Now, if we divide the middle portion, that is BC by QR, by half, then we have AB by PQ equal to half BC by half QR equal to AD by PM. Since half of BC can be written as BD and half of QR can be written as QM, tahole we have AB by PQ equal to BD by QM equal to AD by PM. That is by using 1, obviously. Tahole in triangle ABD and triangle PQM, that is ABD and triangle PQM, we have AB by PQ equal to BD by QM equal to AD by PM. That is, the corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional. We know that if the corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle ABD will be similar to triangle PQM by SSS. SSS keno? Since এই দুটা ট্রায়াঙ্গেলের আমরা তিনটা সাইডসকে equal proof করেছি. Therefore, we have angle ABD is equal to angle PQM. যদি দুটা ট্রায়াঙ্গেল সিমিলার প্রুফ করে দেই, তাহলে their corresponding angles of the similar triangles will be equal. তাহলে since ABD আর PQM দুটা similar triangle, তাহলে their corresponding angles, that is angle B and angle Q, equal হবে. Now, in triangle ABC and PQR, ABC and PQR, what do we have? Angle ABD equal to angle PQM. Again, we have proved that AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. Since two sides and one angle, corresponding sides and corresponding angle of the two triangles are equal, therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by SAS similarity criteria. The next question is, D is a point on side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. We have to show that CA square equal to CB into CD. আমাদের কাছে ডায়াগ্রাম আছে যেখানে ABC is a triangle, D একটা পয়েন্ট আছে on the side BC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. আমাদের প্রুফ করতে হবে that CA square is equal to CB into CD. Solve করি. In triangle ADC and triangle BAC, we have angle ADC. ADC and angle BAC যেটা দেওয়াই আছে are equal. Again, angle ACD and angle BCA. In both the triangle, angle C is common. Therefore, triangle ADC will be similar to triangle BAC by AA criteria. Since two pairs of corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, আমরা জানি যে if two triangles are similar তাহলে ওদের corresponding sides গুলো proportional থাকবে। তাহলে CA by CB is equal to CD by CA. এখন by cross multiplying CA square equal to CB into CD, we get the required answer. In the next question we have, if AD and PM are medians of triangle ABC and PQR respectively, where triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, we have to prove that AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. Question e dewa ache duto triangle ABC and PQR. AD triangle ABC er median and PM angle PQR er median. Also ABC is similar to PQR. আমরা proof করব যে AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. Let us start solving. Since দেওয়া আছে ABC and PQR are similar, then their corresponding sides of similar triangle will be in proportion, that is AB by PQ equal to AC by PR equal to BC by QR, which we consider as equation 1. Also, since the two triangles are similar, so their corresponding angles will be equal, that is angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, angle C equal to angle R, which we consider as equation 2. Since AD and PM are medians, so BD will be half of BC and QM will be half of QR, which we consider as equation 3. Now from 1 and 3 we had equation 1 as AB by PQ equal to AC by PR equal to BC by QR, which was our equation 1. Thus from equation 1 and equation 3 we have AB by PQ equal to, if we divide this part half of BC by half of QR, we get it to be BD by QM. Thus we get AB by PQ equal to BD by QR. Sorry, BD by QM, which we have considered as our fourth equation. Now in triangle ABD and triangle PQM, we have angle B and Q are equal using 2. Also AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM by equation 4. Therefore triangle ABD and PQM দুটাই similar হবে কিরকম, by SS, that is side angle side property. Since দুটা triangle similar হয়ে গেছে, then their corresponding sides will be in proportion, that is AB by PQ equal to BD by QM equal to AD by PM, which is our required answer. With this, exercise 6.3 শেষ হলো. If you think এই ভিডিওটা দেখে তোমাদের হেল্প হয়েছে, then do like the video and subscribe the channel so that আগে যে কোনো ভিডিও আসে you can get the notification as soon as possible. Thank you.